Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole like a newborn, to speak it like a native. Today, we're going to look at some blended letters in Haitian Creole. You know those letters that are independent, but when they are together, their sounds tend to blend together, just like in English. All right, the first one we have is B and L. B, B, L. Okay? Blah. Examples, blah, blah. Pas oubli, tableau, blanc, blier. The next one we have is BR. Example, bras, cabré, cabrite, bride, and brie. Then we have DL or DL, dl. So we have dlo, which is water. Next we have this kind of for specific words only, that mostly words borrowed from English. D and then J, which is pronounced just like the J of English. So J. So we have jet, Joe, Jol, Jolet, Jack. Then we have DR or DR, Dr. So we have Dra, Dressé, Dret, Pédri, and then Drain. Next we have FL ou bien FL, Fla. So we have flash, gonflé, flé, flité, flotter, flan. Next, FR. Fr. So we have frapper, fretter, fret, fritaille, franc, frein. Then we have GL, right? We have gl, is glace, végler, glisser, glan, zinglin. Then we have gr, g, r, the gr. So gr. Example, gras, grémessi, greg, gris, gran, graine. Then we have L, cl, classe, clé, zéclé, clissé, zoclo, cloche, clou, esclave. Then we have K, R, like kr. So we have crasse, accra, cresson, accrec, cri, craintif. Next, KS or X. That's would be equivalent to the X sound in English. KS. So max, pax, rex, fix, vix. Next we have PL, pl. So we have place, platine, souple, lit, l'appli, complot, plug. Next we have PR, pr. Donc, pratique, prêter, prête, pris, prend, printemps. Then we have TCH, ch, just like in English, for mostly borrowed words. So we have match, patch, cha-cha, cho-cho-we. Next we have TR, tr. Donc, tracas, traité, traite, tripe, trempé, train. Okay. Next we have DL, dr. So, coulève, And then Madeleine, Madeleine. Next we have GB, gba, like ligba, ligba. Next we have G and then zig, ga. The G is always hard, right? Like in God. So x. So exemple, exempter, exiger, exige. Next we have KS again. Vexer, vexion, kexion. Then we have KT, malfecte, sectum. Then we have LB, lb. So calbendai, albinos. IF, we have alpha, calfu. All right. And then we have LM. So almanac, moulin, calmana, calmi. All right, these combinations are just for practice, all right? It's not something you need to remember. So that you just want to make sure you've seen all the combinations of them, right? So now LS, you're gonna have mal soin, mal cité. Then you have LT, you have galta, salte, palto. And then PT, you have popte, all right, popte. And then you have SK, esquisse, escandale, fisqué. SL, then you have Leslie, Oslet. SM, then you're going to have bâtissement. SP will be espoir, espoir, espérer. Then SPR, so l'esprit, esprit. ST will be estati, estene. All right, estene. Achun, estene, that's what it is. Now, STR, again, nestri, TL, malta, athlete, matlot, VN, avni, right? These are just several combinations so that you make sure you've seen them all. All right, nothing to memorize here. I hope that helped. Some blended letters in Haitian Creole.